Hello everyone! In this video we will show you summer outdoor bouldering action, featuring a dyno on a slab, overhangs, traverses, crimps and a lot of fun. If you want to support us, please like, share, comment and subscribe.
So look at this view from our place. You can see the mountains. Maria and Harvey already prepared the breakfast. And scrambled eggs, cereals and bread.
Alright, we start off with one of the classics in Chironico, Borderline, a 7A/B6 slab dyno. The lower part is quite easy. The actual crux is the dyno you can see soon.
And I think more to the right. Yes, that's the spot, that's the spot. So now go for it, go for it. Come on. And jump. Now.
It's fine?
Are you okay?
You hit head in your leg, right? No, I think I just hit my head on the crash pad. Head? Yeah. No. It's alright, it just shook me.
But honestly, it was before your breath attempt. I thought
It was very close.
It was. I think you touched the edge actually.
As you can see here, it was quite close. However, I did not try again on the same day as the fall really shook me through and I could not really commit to the jump anymore. The next day, we saw some nice static beta. I also wanted to give that one a shot.
Yes. Come on.
At this point, she went with one of the fingers into this undercling crimp. I briefly tried it, but I had to realize pretty quickly there's no way I can do that.
I already put the left foot on where it's a bit wider.
So instead, I gave the jump another try, and well, surprise, I fell again. So I could show you like 5,000 failed attempts like this, but I will spare you from watching that. Hopefully it will work in the future. Next, we are showing you Revue de Paris, a crimpy problem very close to Borderline.
Yes. A bit further to left, yes.
Yes. Heel up and he said, now it is done. Now.
What happened there? But that looked very good, Harvey.
This rolling is done. This rolling is done.
Next move. Bam. Hold it. Fight, yes. Fight. Go for it. Come on. Yes. Nice. It's oh. You okay?
No,
You okay?
no.
Too excited?
No, it's not fair.
Oh no. Yes. Now is that an amazing hook? It's over. Yes. It's over now. Easy going.
Happy birthday, Klaus. For you.
Thanks.
The next problem is Roboter, a cool and fun 6A traverse. Our friend Maciek already tried it in one of the previous trips, as you can see in the linked video. As he didn't finish it, and it's a really nice line, he was eager to try again.
Yes, and soon you can relax a bit. Now relax a bit. Yes, nice. Try to get the heel up soon. Too late.
Nice. Looks very good, Maciek. Very, very good. Continue like that. You're almost done. And that is now a joke.
Come on, come on.
Come on.
Yes,
Put
yes,
your
yes.
right foot up.
Right foot up. Yes.
A bit better.
You know you have it. Come on, push, 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 push.
Push, push, push. Yes, 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 yes.
Come on.
Nice. Very good, very good. You made it. You made it.
Going.
Very good.
Oh.
You really scared the shit out of me.
That was
I was also scared.
Actually, the sun was a lot for a spotting too.
the sun was a surprise.
Ah, I can't do that fall.
Now how is it? Oh, don't fall. Oh, Maciek, let's do it. We can just go. Nice.
Nice, very good.
How's the knitting going?
Slowly.
Finally, we are showing you 3 problems which are located next to each other. The first one is a slab traverse. You start in a sit start and then traverse to the right without using the upper edge. It is the same rock on which Maria did her first 6A+, Alzati. See the linked video if you want to check that one out too.
Blocking too much with my foot.
There's some sharpy spots. Do you think
Yeah.
you could use them?
Yeah, I was blocking some, but at the beginning I didn't think that you need the foot, and now I think here it's better for the foot than here.
As I was slipping off at the start position a few times in my subsequent attempts, I was looking for an alternative start position for my foot.
So I mean, I could also try to get it up here. I mean, that would be nice. Let's see. It's not what I intend to do. I'm probably too close like this.
Oh, you're pretty strong enough. Come on. You see? Yeah, yeah.
Now what's squashing it a bit?
Ali.
Where's the left foot?
Maria, help me. I cannot watch because I'm concentrated.
Slowly, slowly, slowly. Yes. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, the good spot. The down is the thing, yes. A little bit further and it's better. Very good. Oh, we even reached the sweet spot already. Very nice. Don't fall. Yes. Now it's done.
Oops.
Very good.
Suck it, Maria.
Suck it, Maria.
Come on, guys.
Okay, so kids, always work on slabs. Don't go for big bang bang moves. Work on slabs from one slab master to the next one.
Nice.
Harry, can you do the monkey, please?
everything is slopey, everything is like this, and there's nothing to grab. Ah, this is shit.
You can do it. Come on.
And now it's
continue.
done. This is, I'm not sure whether you see it, but everything is just like this.
Yeah, and therefore I came here also from this side a bit more that one can see. Yeah,
Yeah, and here at some point
not so good.
you could basically maybe try to pinch a little tiny bit, but everything is just slopey, slopey, slopey.
Right up. Yes, yes. Nice.
Now push, 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 metal. Push, put metal with the right end. Yes, 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 yes.
Ooh, yes. Von Bluestein.
You won't win a beauty competition with it, but that doesn't matter.